Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front, center, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, door courtesy lights. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.